Photo Pixabay via MGN OnlineLEBANON, Ohio AP. Residents of a quiet town in southwest Ohio swear they're not seeing things when they tell people monkeys are on the loose in their neighborhood. WLWT-TV reports residents in Lebanon, a city about 30 miles northeast of Cincinnati, have used their phones to capture photos of the monkeys hanging out in trees. Lebanon police say they're aware of the reported monkey sightings and are investigating. Residents suspect the monkeys were pets at some point. Residents say the monkeys haven't been spotted since being photographed several weeks ago, but can still be heard.